Hey guys, Romton here, and I've been having a problem with the power supply unit of my PC. So this is my PC. I'll go further into details, like, you know, all the stuff it has in it, all the components, but I'll show you which power supply it is. It's the OCZ 750 watt fully modular power supply. I have to be careful here because of the fan. You can see it's that guy down there next to the LED lights. Let's make sure this doesn't fall off. This is the perpetrator. Now, as you can see, it's running relatively quiet. However, if I go into a 3D program, so here we're just going to go into Minecraft. We log in. I remember this is only Minecraft. Actually, there's a little mini look at my setup. 1 monitor, 2 monitor, 3 monitors, and a massive TV, and the highlight. There we go. We go into Minecraft, single player, load world, and here we have the we have the GSL shader packs. So let's just pause that. So right now the graphics card's starting to pull more watts from the power supply. Doesn't that look good? And any second now, excuse me, any second now this power supply is going to go mental on its fan, and it's a recognized problem. And OCZ, they will fix it, but you have to send in, you're going to have to send in your power supply all the way to the Netherlands, at least in Europe. Oh yeah, a lot of heat's been given off that now. So, any second now, I'll edit this out later. But I just want you to see when the power supply suddenly kicks in, it just goes nuts. Like, it goes from 40% straight to 100%. So these are all the fans speeding up now because, you know, running a 3D program. Look at that GTX 580. It goes all the way from here to here. There you go. Now that is the power supply fan. And you might think, oh, it's actually not making that much noise. But relatively, compared to how quiet it is, and in a silent room, I mean, it's only playing Minecraft. Either way, it shouldn't be making that much noise. Yeah, the fan speed should increase from like 40% to like 60%. But it just goes to this level where it's not needed. And the replacement for it, I'm going to get a Seasonic one, which is already on the way, and that costs £210, this cost 80. So yeah, that kind of sucks, considering I still have to sell off this one, so I'm down £300 just on power supplies as it stands. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video just to say, avoid this power supply. And I'll do a complete look at my rig once I get the power supply and one more fan in. So the fan here is gonna go here, so I have a push-pull configuration, and then I'm gonna have a fast running but silent noctua fan on the side here to take away the heat from the graphics card, which is quite significant. I mean, that graphic card by itself has just increased the heat in my PC by like, I think 10 degrees. SSD, another fan. There's another fan in the front there which I've ghetto mounted. Another fan at the top. It's a lot of fans, you get the idea. 16 gigabytes of RAM, but I'll do a proper review of my PC later. Component by component, like I said I would. Anyway, that's me signing out. And remember, do not buy this power supply. It sucks